Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, ExpertClone AI. If you've ever felt stuck trying to write copy, build funnels, or create marketing strategies that actually work, this might just catch your attention. Now, we've all been there. You buy the courses, watch endless tutorials, try all the latest AI tools, and still end up wondering why your results don't look like the big names you follow online. The truth is, most people don't have access to the kind of marketing knowledge that legends like Gary Halbert, Dan Kennedy, or Alex Hormozi built their careers on. That's exactly the gap ExpertClone AI claims to fill. So what is it? ExpertClone AI is being called the world's first neural cloning system for marketing minds. The idea is that it replicates the writing style, decision-making, and strategies of over 100 top marketers and entrepreneurs, and lets you use their expertise for your own business. You can ask it to write email campaigns, sales pages, ad scripts, or even plan your entire funnel, all in the voice and logic of proven experts. For example, if you want Hormozi-style irresistible offers or Brunson-style funnel strategies, you just select their expert brain, type your request, and it delivers ready-to-use material within seconds. According to the creators, users have already seen impressive results from higher conversions to faster launches without hiring expensive copywriters or agencies. Whether or not it lives up to the hype, ExpertClone AI represents a new wave of marketing tools that blend AI automation with real human expertise. It's fascinating to see how close we're getting to making expert-level marketing accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about this in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.